Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So the WASSCE results are out, and this year a significant number of candidates did not perform as expected, especially in the core subjects. As always, the biggest question students are asking right now is simple and urgent. Can I still gain admission into the university even if I had a D7? This video will give you a clear, accurate, and authoritative explanation of exactly what a D7 means, what it allows you to do, and the immediate steps you should take. Okay, so let's begin with the fundamentals. In the WASI grading system or in the Y grading system used in the four West African countries, which is Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Gambia, and Ghana, there's this grades which are in between A1 to C6, which are credit passes. So grade D7, E8, and F9s are passes or fails, but not credit passes. This difference is crucial because universities in Ghana base their degree admission strictly on credit passes. So officially and academically, a D7 does not meet the minimum requirement for direct admission into a bachelor's degree program. That's the standard across the country. Okay. Now to the main question, can you enter a degree program with a D7 especially in a public university in Ghana to be specific? For almost all universities in Ghana, the answer is no. This includes the University of Ghana, KNUST, University of Cape Coast, University of Education Uniba, the University of Professional Studies Accra, GIMPA, and most accredited private universities. These institutions all require credit passes between A1 to C6 in the core subjects, which are English language, core mathematics, and either integrated science or social studies, depending on the program you're going to offer in the university. If you had a D7 in any core subject, you do not qualify for direct admission into a degree program. This is not based on opinion, it's a national academic requirement guided by regulatory standards. Okay. However, there are a few structured and limited exceptions that you should understand clearly. First of all, some private universities may accept a D7 in an elective subject, but only if that elective is not essential to the program you want to pursue. Even in such cases, a D7 in English or mathematics is not accepted for a degree admission. Secondly, technical universities and certain private institutions may admit you into a diploma or HND. HND stands for Higher National Diploma or certificate programs, even if you have a D7. These are legitimate entry points, but they are not direct access to a degree. You will still need to upgrade before moving into a bachelor's level. This brings us to the most reliable and realistic pathway for anyone with a D7 who still wants a university degree. Take the diploma route first. So offer a diploma in the course that you want to do. Most courses have the diploma options. Okay, it's not every course though, but most of them. Here is how it works. So step one, you enroll in a diploma program, typically lasting 2 to 3 years. So 3 years is HND, whilst 2 years is diploma. Step two, you complete the diploma successfully by meeting the necessary CGPA requirement to enter into the level 3 and straight. So step three, you apply for a top-up bachelor's degree program, which usually takes an additional 2 years. And step four, you graduate with a full degree that is the same as any other degree holder. This route is official, widely used, and completely recognized across Ghana's tertiary educational system. Another highly recommended opinion, especially if your D7 is in the core subject, is to rewrite the paper through NOVDEC. If you want to enter competitive programs such as medicine, nursing, engineering, law, computer science, business administration, or education, rewriting is the most effective step. Upgrading your grade from D7 to a B2, B3, A1, and what have you, or better, instantly opens more opportunities for you. It gives you eligibility for public universities, expands your program options, and strengthens your academic profile. For students with a D7 in mathematics, English, or science, rewriting is the strategic choice and often the fastest solution to this academic problem that you are currently facing. Now, let's go through exactly what you should do depending on your situation. If your D7 is in a core subject, register for end of deck and rewrite the subjects. While waiting, you can also explore the diploma option or the HND option or certificate programs, which is perfectly legitimate. If your D7 is an elective, check admission requirement for private universities that accept D7 or even public universities that accept D7 electives ensuring the subject is not essential for your chosen program. So that subject that you had a D7 in, it shouldn't directly have an impact on the program you want to offer in the university. So if your goal is to attend a highly competitive university or program, rewriting the subject is your best realistic path. Okay. If money is a concern, technical universities offer more affordable diploma routes, and some institutions provide financial aid or scholarships. If you are confused about which option fits you, contact the admission offices of the various schools that you want to attend directly. Speak with the guidance counselors over there if possible, or compare requirements from several schools before making a decision. Some schools may accept the D7 for you to even do their degree program as long as the elective doesn't affect the program you want to do. So you should apply to more of these schools. Okay. Before we continue, here are common mistakes you must avoid. First, do not apply blindly to multiple universities without checking their requirements. You just waste your money on forms. For schools, that will automatically reject your application because most of these application systems, okay, it is automated. Most of them are automated. So when they see a D7, they automatically disqualify you. Okay. Always verify information for official university websites or admission offices. Do not use any middleman. You can use a middleman, but make sure that you verify the information. Make sure the information is legit. Thirdly, do not give up because of a single grade. A D7 is a setback in the system, yes, but it is not an entire academic dead end. Okay, the entire structure of diploma and top-up route exists specifically to give students a second chance. So it means that you can even do your degree within 4 years. If you do your diploma 2 years and then you get the required grades, you can do your degree within 2 years and then you're done. A D7 is not a credit pass. You cannot gain direct admission into a degree program with a D7 in the course of it. Some private universities may accept D7 in electives, but this is limited. So diploma, HND, and certification routes remain open. Writing a subject via NOVDEC is the most effective solution, especially for core subjects. A full university degree is still possible through alternative pathways. Okay, a full university is possible. These are the official realities of the Ghana's admission system. Understanding them prevents confusion, saves money, and helps you choose the right path forward, which is very, very, very important because you don't want to waste your money on forms and then you'll be rejected. So, yes, kindly put this into consideration, especially if you know you have a D7 program, a D7 in one of your uh, subjects. Okay, so for a school like UPSC, they encourage applicants who had a D7 in any of their papers to consider doing a diploma. Okay, so if you apply for a diploma and you had a D7 in any of the subjects, you can do a diploma first, which is 2 years. When you meet the academic requirements, you can go straight ahead to 300. If you don't meet the academic requirements, you will still have to come back to 1 year and continue. So if you know that you don't want to stress yourself and when rewriting of the severally, consider doing a diploma in that program if there's a diploma program available for the actual degree that you want to do. So take for instance a bachelor's degree in, let's say, accounting, or a bachelor's degree in information technology. Check if there is a diploma option available for that same program in your university or the university that you want to attend to. Consider it so that you can go straight ahead. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you another time. Bye.